The sun sat regally on his throne, his golden rays illuminating the vast expanse of the celestial court. His gaze swept over the assembly of planets and stars, each vying for his attention. Despite the grandeur, a shadow of concern clouded his bright countenance. Jupiter, ever expansive and generous, stood beside the sun, offering his unwavering support.
Your Majesty, unity is our strength. We must find common ground to lead the realm into prosperity,
he urged, his voice booming with conviction. Saturn, with his rings of discipline and logic, approached the throne with a measured stride. His presence brought a chill to the court, a stark contrast to the sun's warmth.
Our realm requires structure and order, not mere dreams of unity,
he declared, his voice as cold as the void. The tension in the court was palpable as the sun pondered the conflicting advice. His fiery ambition clashed with Saturn's rigid discipline, leaving him torn between duty and desire. Venus glided gracefully into the court, her presence a breath of fresh air amidst the tension. Her shimmering aura reflected the beauty and pleasure she so fervently pursued.
Why concern ourselves with such burdens? Embrace the beauty that life offers,
she whispered enticingly to the sun. The sun felt a stir within, a longing for the dreams Venus painted. Yet he knew the weight of his crown and the responsibilities it bore. The court erupted into a cacophony of voices, each planet and star expressing their stance. Jupiter stood firm in his resolve for unity, while Saturn remained steadfast in his call for discipline. Venus's allure pulled at the hearts of many, adding to the discord. The sun listened intently, his mind a whirlwind of thoughts as he sought a path that could bridge the divide. In the midst of the turmoil, the sun rose from his throne, his radiant presence commanding silence.
We must embrace our differences to create a harmonious realm. Each of you brings a unique strength that can unite us,
he proclaimed, his voice resonating with authority. The court fell silent, the celestial bodies absorbing the wisdom of their king. The vibrant hues of the court blended into a harmonious symphony of light, symbolizing their unity. With newfound clarity, the sun led the celestial court into an era of prosperity. Jupiter's expansiveness, Saturn's discipline, and Venus's beauty intertwined, creating a realm where differences were celebrated and unity prevailed. The sun shone brightly, his warmth touching every corner of the universe, a testament to the noble king who embraced the power of diversity and led his realm to greatness.
Are you interested in astrology? Then contact me.